A product warranty is there for a reason. When a product develops defects during the warranty period, consumers should not have to simply accept the loss or continue using a faulty item. However, many warranty claims are delayed or denied because customers fail to clearly explain the problem, provide supporting documentation, or formally request a replacement. A warranty replacement request letter helps you present your case professionally and increases the chances of a quick resolution. A warranty replacement request letter is a formal letter written by a customer to request a replacement product under the terms of a manufacturer's warranty. The purpose is to explain the defect, describe any troubleshooting steps already taken, confirm that the warranty is still valid, and formally request a replacement unit. Today, we're going to break down a professional warranty replacement request letter, step by step. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the customer's full name, address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies who is submitting the warranty claim and provides contact information for future communication. Always make sure your contact details are accurate and current. Date. Next comes the date, which in this example is June 19th, 2026. The date is important because it documents when the warranty replacement request was submitted. This can become important if there are future discussions regarding warranty coverage or processing timelines. Recipient information. Next, we have the recipient's information. In this case, the letter is addressed to the Customer Support Department of Vertex Electronics, along with the company's address. This ensures that the request is directed to the department responsible for handling warranty claims and customer service matters. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject: Request for product replacement under warranty. This is a clear and professional subject line because it immediately explains the purpose of the letter. The customer support team can quickly identify that the letter concerns a warranty replacement request. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Customer Support Representative. This is an appropriate and professional salutation when you do not know the specific name of the person handling the claim. Always include a respectful greeting in formal business correspondence. Introduction and purpose of the letter. Now let's move into the first body paragraph. This section immediately explains why the customer is writing. The paragraph says, I am writing to request a replacement for a defective product that is currently covered under the manufacturer's warranty. This is an effective opening because it is direct, professional, and immediately states the purpose of the request. The company knows exactly what action the customer is seeking, product information, and description of the problem. Next comes one of the most important sections of the letter. This paragraph identifies the product, provides purchase information, and explains the defects. The paragraph reads, On February 28, 2026, I purchased a Vertex ultrasound wireless speaker from an authorized retailer in Portland, Oregon. The product performed as expected initially. However, after approximately 3 months of normal use, it began experiencing significant performance issues. Specifically, the speaker frequently loses Bluetooth connectivity, produces intermittent audio interruptions, and occasionally fails to power on despite being fully charged. This paragraph is important because it provides specific facts. Notice how the customer includes the purchase date, product name, location of purchase, and a detailed explanation of the problems. When writing your own warranty request, always describe the defects clearly and specifically. Avoid vague statements such as, "It stopped working." Instead, explain exactly what happens when the product malfunctions. Troubleshooting efforts. Now let's move into the next paragraph. Many companies want to know whether reasonable troubleshooting has already been attempted before issuing a replacement. The paragraph says, I have carefully followed all operating instructions provided with the product and have attempted the troubleshooting procedures recommended in the user manual, including resetting the device and updating its firmware. Unfortunately, these steps have not resolved the problem, and the device continues to malfunction. This is a strong paragraph because it demonstrates that the customer made a genuine effort to resolve the issue independently. Including troubleshooting steps can often speed up the warranty process because it answers questions the support team would likely ask anyway. Warranty coverage and formal request. Next comes the section where the customer refers to the warranty and formally requests a replacement. The paragraph reads, "According to the warranty documentation provided at the time of purchase, the product remains within the applicable warranty period. Therefore, I respectfully request a replacement unit under the terms of the warranty agreement." This paragraph is effective because it connects the request directly to the warranty terms. The customer is not demanding special treatment. They are simply requesting the remedy provided by the warranty agreement. Supporting documents. Now let's look at the next paragraph. Supporting documentation can play a major role in a successful warranty claim. The paragraph says, "For your convenience, I have enclosed copies of the purchase receipt, warranty information, and photographs documenting the product and its serial number. I'm also prepared to return the defective unit, if required, as part of the replacement process." This paragraph strengthens the request because it shows that the customer is prepared and cooperative. When submitting a warranty claim, always include supporting documents whenever possible. Receipts, warranty cards, serial numbers, photographs, and proof of purchase can help avoid delays. Positive closing and request for instructions. Next comes the paragraph requesting the next steps. The paragraph reads, "I have been pleased with your company's products in the past and am confident that this matter can be resolved promptly. I would appreciate confirmation of the next steps and any instructions regarding the warranty replacement procedure." This is a strong paragraph because it remains professional and positive. Instead of sounding frustrated or demanding, the customer expresses confidence that the issue can be resolved. That approach often helps maintain a constructive relationship with the company. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. The paragraph says, "Thank you for your time and assistance. I look forward to your response and a satisfactory resolution of this matter." This is a simple but effective closing. It expresses appreciation while reinforcing the expectation that the matter will be addressed. Closing and signature. The letter ends with, "Sincerely, Ethan Collins." This is a professional business closing appropriate for warranty claims and customer service correspondence. If submitting a printed letter, a handwritten signature should be included above the typed name. A strong warranty replacement request letter should be factual, professional, and well documented. Clearly identify the product, explain the defect, mention troubleshooting efforts, and reference the warranty coverage. Always keep copies of receipts, warranty information, serial numbers, photographs, and any previous communications with the company. These documents can significantly strengthen your claim. And that's how you write a professional warranty replacement request letter, step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.